morning, everyone. My name is Brian Dolan. I'm a managing director here at Barclays Investment Bank. I run digital for the investment bank, and also I'm responsible for a large employee-facing platform that we're rolling out to all 140,000 employees in Barclays. One of the things that occupies my mind is, how do you engage with your clients? How do you engage with your employees in a meaningful way? And to take the colleague side of it, or the employee side of it, big firms typically do the annual survey, where you send out a survey to all your employees. You have 5 pages of questions and ask their opinions on things. And as is usual with surveys, nobody responds initially, and then you have to kind of chase them, and then there's more chasing, and the chasing gets more and more threatening right up till the end, where it's like, your opinions are important to us, you must return our survey. And so eventually people return the survey, but then the insights, it's a long time ago. It takes a long time to kind of gather the information and produce the results. So when I first got involved with the RISE, the Barclays Accelerator, and I started working with Remesh, I thought, these guys have a really fresh approach to this, a fresh approach to engaging with people in a meaningful way. And so I'd like to invite up on stage the co-founder and CEO of Remesh, Andrew Konya, to tell you a lot more.
Good morning. All right, we're gonna do a little participation here. So on the count of 3, I want all of you to tell me what you think is gonna happen in the market today. All right? You're gonna do it? All right. 1, 2, 3. Wow. What you just experienced was the chaos of trying to engage and understand a group of people. With just one person, it's easy. I can just have a conversation with them. But with a group even this small, it's just not practical, let alone thousands of employees or millions of customers. And this breakdown in communication is a serious problem. It leads to unhappy employees and customers who end up feeling disengaged and misunderstood. And the cost to companies is huge. Loss of employee engagement, $500 billion a year. The misunderstanding of customers, nearly $5 trillion annually. It doesn't have to be like this. What if when I asked all of you that question, I didn't get the chaos and noise of all of your responses? I got one. And that one response represented the collective wisdom of every last one of you. I'm Andrew Konya, the CEO of Remesh. I've spent the past 8 years as a physicist studying the order that emerges from chaotic systems. And in concert with my incredible team, we've built a platform which harnesses the wisdom of a crowd and turns it into a single intelligence that you can chat with. So understanding and engaging any group of people is as easy as a conversation with a friend. So let's see how our engagement about the market would look like if we were to use Remesh. So to start, I'm going to ask you my question. What do you think is going to happen in the market today? Now, each of you are going to respond just like we were chatting, one-on-one. But now, to learn a little bit more about what you're each thinking, we're going to show you others' responses 2 at a time. And you simply choose the response you think is better. While this is happening, we are training a unique stochastic knowledge graph for each person, aggregating these together for the group, and traversing this to identify the response which best represents that group of people, and sending it. Now, we only send one response, but under that response is an entire set of ranked, tagged, structured data which lets you understand exactly what the group was thinking to lead to that message. And because it's conversation, it doesn't end there. Now I can follow up with another question to learn even more and dig even deeper about what the group is thinking. So how does this compare to other options? Well, focus groups are deeply engaging because they involve live conversation, but they just don't scale. And polls are useful because they scale massively, but they lack the engagement of live conversation, so no one wants to do them. Social media is attractive because it's fun. People actually like doing it. But the engagement is passive, and so the insights are weak. Remesh combines the strengths of these three approaches into a single solution, delivering a massively scalable live conversation, which is both engaging for participants and gives deep, actionable insights for those who organize the conversation. At our core, we're solving the problem of understanding and engaging any group of people. From companies and their customers to politicians and their constituents, the market opportunity is over $35 billion. Today, we're starting by selling to managers and team leads. This means that we're selling directly to the person who feels the pain we address. Plus, this allows us to scale within organizations, horizontally to other managers, and vertically to other teams, such as those who face customers. Our business model is simple. It's turnkey SaaS. We charge a monthly subscription and scale that based on the number of participants in the group. Now, we just started piloting this 2 weeks ago, and already we have 6 companies. And we're excited to announce that one of those companies, Barclays, is already piloted across 4 continents and multiple business units. Now, doing all of this in a matter of just 3 weeks, 3 months, has been made possible by a truly amazing team of people. With expertise ranging from AI and self-driving cars to pure math and politics, we are poised to revolutionize the way we engage with groups forever, to finally replace the hand raise algorithm of polls and focus groups and surveys with massively scalable live conversation made possible with the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you, guys.